The weight of bad thoughts. There was once a girl who carried her thoughts like stones in a backpack. Every negative word she told herself. I'm not good enough. I'll never succeed. No one really cares, added another heavy stone. At first, she didn't notice. She thought it was normal to carry such weight. But as time went on, her steps grew slower. Her back bent lower, and her smile faded away. One day, she finally stopped and asked herself, why am I carrying what doesn't belong to me? She began to take out each stone, one by one. For every bad thought, she replaced it with a kinder one. I'm learning. I am worthy. There are people who love me. The backpack grew lighter. Her steps became easier. And she realized something powerful. Bad thoughts will always try to follow, but she doesn't have to carry them. Reflection. Life isn't about avoiding bad thoughts. It's about choosing not to give them a permanent home in your mind.